Lady, you can trust me. Costumes by Joker787XD. And Gold Jung.
We don't need an intro.
Everybody needs an intro. I'm dead, so I guess it's a squirrel.
It's Corona. I want Corona. Give me Corona.
It's just a gallery, lady.
No. I'm just like staring at it. Fools.
Squirrel!
It's a cat.
It's a squirrel. Part 2 coming soon. Of the gallery. Lady, you're gonna die by hiccups.
I probably will.
The lady is gonna die by hiccups.
Whoa.
Wait, lady, lady, silence for a moment. I got something to say. Hello, people, and what you heard was just a conversation between me and Dark Sonic 01. Have a nice life.